I realized what you meant when you said the other camera made you look ashy.
I put lotion today. All right, I want everyone to see. I put. So guys, welcome to the stream.
Hi, loyal fan base!
As you can see, I only have two cameras. One that's and one that's really high quality. We are going to make patties first. So make sure you have your puff pastry, your meat or your meat substitute, your lime juice, your tomato paste. Now we need the key ingredient. We have adobo. We have this adobo seasoning that I'm showing right behind me.
If you want to make your life harder, you can make your own seasoning.
Yeah, we're not doing that. I'm sleepy. If you want to get some black pepper, feel free, get any sort of seasoning. So we get the Maggi. All right, let me show you in this case. So these are essential for Haitian cooking, all right? They are beautiful. I didn't put that in the recipes, but you are so more than welcome to do that. We have the olive oil, and then I need an egg. The whitest of all eggs. So we have the pepper. Where is the vinegar? Did I run out?
We've been robbed!
I have apple cider vinegar. Can I replace that?
You know what? That would work probably.
That would work, right?
It is vinegar.
Yeah, I mean it's fine.
We're gonna thaw this out because I did not do a good job of doing that. So we're gonna thaw this out. Put it in the hottest area of the room, so the floor. Now we're gonna get a mixing bowl. We got these big ass bowls from Home Goods. All right. We're going to start the cooking now. Is everyone ready? Everyone paying attention?
No.
Yeah?
Yes, madam.
All right, we're going to cut this meat.
Yeah, do you have a machete?
Of course I have a machete. I got it from my jumper. I got it from him.
For Haitian cooking, always have a machete.
I don't think I should show a weapon on Twitch. I don't want to risk people being like, oh God, he has a weapon. Got a weapon. I don't want to do
cooking utensil. Think of a thing that you would be able to do with a knife. Haitian people just use a machete.
Yeah, exactly. We put our meat in the bowl. We're gonna put a shit ton of seasoning in there. One thing about Haitian cooking, I may have given you guys a lot of like teaspoons and all this stuff. That's literally not how we do things. We just put it in there until it's right. If the seasoning is not covering like all the beef, the front end of the beef, put more. All right, so this is when we're gonna use the apple cider vinegar because I forgot actual vinegar. My mom's gonna hear about this. So now we have to mix this. Now you wanna use both hands. I see some people mix with two hands. But anyway, we're just gonna like... You're silently judging me, I can tell.
Yeah, I am.
Alright, so the meat is basically punched to death. That's great. That's beautiful. That's awesome. So now we have a skillet. Get your pan.
Get your pan.
Put it on like, I don't know, 5 or anything. In Haiti, we use gas stoves. Electric stoves is for pussies. You're gonna heat the pan with some oil. This is when we get our olive oil. We're gonna get a drink. This is not alcohol, before anyone starts saying. Now that we mixed our meat, we're preheating the pan. We have to get the tomato paste. So I also need to preheat the oven. So we're gonna preheat the oven.
Oh wait.
So now we are going to put the meat in the pan. All right, and that will be a nice little sizzle. Okay, we sizzling.
Ooh.
So we're gonna cook this while brown. I'm going to turn down the temperature because my house is already 81 degrees. So I should put that down.
Damn, it's hot.
Watch my meat. Watch my meat for me. Okay, watch it. Watch it.
Watch my meat.
I'm watching.
You're not watching high enough. So we're going to prepare the tomato paste. We have the tomato, mince our peppers. I'm very bad at this step. So guys, don't judge my knife work.
Oh, I can't wait to see this.
We have our pepper. Make sure you mince your pepper, all right? I'm bad at this, but you know what? So there we go. We're mincing the pepper. So I'm not going to cut all of the peppers because we only have a little bit of meat in there, and we're making several patties. So we're gonna put some tomato paste in there, and then we're gonna put some peppers in there, reduce that heat there, and then we're gonna stir. So this is what it's looking like right now. We have a lot of meat chunks, so I'm gonna break that down because that's not gonna make the patty all right. I just realized I don't have a rolling pin.
Yeah, that works.
All right. This is what alcohol is meant for.
No!
So now we are going to cut it. Recipe calls for like cut it into sheets into 3 long strips, then cut it in half to make 6 rectangles. You know, that's always the difficult part for me. This is like you're having a little croissant.
Croissant.
Make sure you have that one finger,
Got
the
the
one that you use to finger.
Nope.
We're gonna wet the bottom of the rectangle, and then we're gonna add some meat. So there's that. So we're supposed to fold the other half over, but I don't believe that. Think of it like a dumpling, you know, you're just gonna kind of like do this. So make sure you have your pan. Make sure you have your wax paper ready. That is very important.
Or your
Wax.
baking sheet.
Baking
Wax
sheet,
paper, baking sheet.
or I think aluminum foil can also do it. I should put oil on the wax paper, right?
Oil and or butter on the wax paper. Just
So
to make
put
sure
some
it doesn't-
oil. So just repeat this step. Alright, we're gonna put these in the oven.
My grandpa says you can't make in the air fryer.
Oh, why would you tell the elders this?
I didn't tell the elders. The elders are right there.
Why are they hearing? Okay,
Yeah.
first, before we put them in the air fryer, let us pray. Dear Heavenly Father, why the fuck would you do this to my oven? I'm gonna call my mom on stream right now, guys.
Hold on.
Hello? Hello, okay, Mom. So, I'm making patties, right? My oven is broken. I'm putting them in the air fryer. Do you think that will work?
What was the process?
I cooked the meat. I put it in the flour, you know, to make it with the...
I don't know.
I need your bait! I need bait in me, okay? Will it work or not? Will it work or not?
It might work.
Alright, it's done! C'est fini! This actually came out pretty alright. So, what do you think? There's some pate right here.
Is this your first try making them?
With an air fryer? Yeah.
It's the herald of a new snack dawn!
Are you guys ready to make some hot chocolate?
Yeah.
Are you ready for some hot chocolate? Fresh chocolate. So this is some chocolate I pressed here. It's dark chocolate. Now you need your carnation milk. We have cinnamon and star anise, all from Haiti. Ground up cinnamon, I guess, for extra flavor. We have spiced vanilla sugar, because why not? Add flavor. We have raw sugar cane.
What is this?
So the main flavor is this nice, beautiful Haitian vanilla. So we also have Haitian rum. This is important.
Which one?
So I put this as optional, but you know, considering how it's 1 p.m. and I'm really tired and I'm pissed about the patties, we're gonna put some in here. Get your pot, put a little bit of water in there, put a little bit, like half a cup of water, half a cup. You put the heat and let it boil. We're gonna let that boil. All right. So with your water that is boiling, right? Get your carnation milk. Open that up. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Open up your carnation milk and dump it in your boiled water.
Carnation milk is just the name of the brand, if I remember correctly.
Yeah. It's evaporated
It's like
milk, whatever.
It's like
You know, this is the messy part. This is messy.
it does not have to be, but you know Demi.
It don't have to be.
So anyway, we're gonna cut our chocolate. Okay.
You gotta stab it.
Okay, so we cut our chocolate. It's nice. Oh. Thanks. Alright, so the milk is boiling as well. We're gonna put cinnamon and some star anise in there. Doesn't really matter how much you put. You just dump a bunch. It all depends on how much flavor you want your hot chocolate to be. So let that boil in there. I also have nutmeg in here. Alright, so we put this. Now we're gonna dab our ginger in there. Literally, all the seasoning and stuff that we required that's in the list, just put it all in there. Literally, just start dumping stuff. And make sure you have sugar. Like sugarcane sugar. If you don't, make that brown sugar. Brown sugar is a good alternative. We're going to put some chocolate down. No, I'm not swifting it. I don't have a swifter. I can't do that shit. So now that we have all of our ingredients, make sure you stir, because as I did last night, and I was an idiot. If you don't stir a lot, all the chocolate will not be there. So make sure you keep stirring, and that's why I have the chair, because we're doing pretty well. I mean, it's getting brown. We keep stirring for about like 15, 20 minutes, so whenever the patties are done. Oh, actually, the patties are done in 3 minutes. One thing about the hot chocolate is that we want the meat.
Ooh.
And that's what we always call it in my family, the top layer when it sits and everything. It's the best part.
So the skin, it's called the skin. You're supposed to like actually not drink that. Like you're not supposed to enjoy that.
I enjoy it.
You're supposed to clean it off, take it off, because it is a byproduct.
Yeah, but it tastes good. Oh, I forgot to add the rum. Almost forgot. So this is optional. Please only use this if you're the legal drinking age in your country. So we add a bit of this, and that's it. You know, I'm probably gonna add more. And we have the hot chocolate. Let me take it off the burner real quick so you all can see how good this shit is. It's getting there. It's getting there. We're almost done. We're almost done. All right. So we're gonna be plating. Let me get my plate. Well, actually, I'm gonna put in a bowl. I'm gonna put in a wide bowl. So we got our bowl. We're gonna put some of our pate here. We're gonna put a couple of these. This is very good for our brunch, as we mentioned here. I got a clear glass so everyone can see it properly. Look at this meat, all right? I want someone to look at this. I want everyone to look at this meat. This is just good ass shit. I love this. So a thing you can do, since the hot chocolate is pretty strong, if you don't like strong hot chocolate, you can add like milk, especially to cool it down. But we're not pussies here, so we're just gonna, that was strong. I put a bit too much alcohol in there. Honestly, we're at the end of the stream, literally. So I don't really know what to do at this point. Thank you guys for being here. Thank you guys for being here. I put too much alcohol in here.